Windows 10 has a feature called Pick Up Where I Left Off. It's integrated with Cortana, and when you restart your system or boot to your desktop after system-initiated restart, the apps you had open last time reopen for you. Folders, however, aren't included. There is a pretty easy way to reopen folders from the previous session when you log in again. Open File Explorer and go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click the drop-down under the Options button and select the Change Folder and Search Options option. On the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Scroll down the list of options under Advanced Settings and look for the Restore Previous Folder Windows at Logon option. Click the Apply button. That's all you need to do. The next time you restart your system, any folders that you had open will open again at login. The folders must be open when you shut down your system or restart it. If you close a folder and then restart or shut down your system, the next time you log on, the folders will not be reopened for you.